Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a After Effect like text on the Capcut. So all you have to do right now is open your Capcut mobile version. So I'm using the Android one, and tap or open your one of your project here. So this is the video I took from library from practice. So all you have to do right now is tap the text button and then add text here. So you can type anything here. This is for example, I want to tap sorry, let's get back. I want to tap I want to type the tea plantation here. So done. So you can adjust the size, and after that you can tap on style and use the style and use the glow here. If you join pro, you can use the pro one, or if not, you can try the free one here. And don't forget, this one is very important. You can green or the yellow. Try the green one here. And the background, you can tap on the background, I mean the shadow. You can try another color if you don't like the green one. So you can set the opacity here. And after that, you can tap the animation and tap the out animation here in the middle. And then you can scroll down, try to search the sorry, it take a load, and try to search this expand, the expand effect, and it become like this. The text will expand. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.